Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. I think, I'm expecting a slow weekend, to be honest, unless, they can always surprise, but for now, due to the price action, not even the unemployment data, we had three different metrics that were released today, even that, they all came in basically as expected, so it didn't really move the market at all. I would have thought maybe that's sort of the last possible catalyst for the week. But yeah, it didn't. It was a bit of a non-event because it was all priced in already. So we continue to see the sideways grind just above support. And again, just here the view that, we have a possible uptrend that started back in December here with this 5-wave move to the upside, with a 3-wave move down into support. Didn't go too deep, so it was actually perfect. Moved up in a 5-wave move, possibly here with an overshooting B wave. Yeah, let's just double check that. But there are different interpretations here that you could apply. You could even try to count it as a diagonal, but this move up doesn't really work out here. But there are different interpretations. You could say, this is a wave 1, then an A wave down, a B wave up, overshooting B wave, and the C wave down. And basically that we have here a 1-2 setup with a running flat. Yeah, it's the sideways correction, a running flat correction, where the C wave does not end below the A wave. Or, and that's the other possibility here, a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside, here another 1-2 setup. Problem with this count is that this wave 1 here, well, not the wave 1 is actually okay, but the wave 2 came down a little bit too deep. It didn't invalidate it, but it came very close to invalidation point, typically a sign that this might not be the most adequate count. So these are the two main options here, or counting all of this as one, as a leading diagonal. And that's, to be honest, possible as well with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a wave 1. All of them wouldn't really make a difference in the short term, to be honest. So we just leave it as we had it. Wave 1 to the upside, A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. Again, there are different possibilities and they are all fairly similar in likelihood, in my opinion, based on that of this swing low, which was made on the 27th of March, because this is the most important factor here, that it actually reacted to our trend reversal area and did reverse out of the yellow support area. Since then, it has really just been moving sideways. And the possibility is that of this Monday low, which was made on the 27th of March, it moved in 5 waves, in a wave 1, came down in an A wave, moved up in a B wave, came down in a C wave. And basically this is another 1-2 setup, or we get an extended wave 2. So basically it's going to reset wave 2 here, as long as it's holding 3.75 cents. Somewhere here a wave 2 is expected to end. If it drops below that level, it will make it very likely it's going to reset yellow wave 2. But so these are the two scenarios, depends on how much of a pullback the market needs. But as long as 3.349 cent is holding, we can generally focus on higher. In the short term, it's the 3.75 cent level. And of course, we have micro support here at this Sunday low, which was at 3.86 cents. But we always look for the fib levels in terms of likelihoods and which scenarios are valid and likely. So at the moment, this 1-2 setup is still the preferred option, but only as long as the 78.6 fib level is holding at 3.75 cents. So and then it could be here maybe another 1-2 setup, but again, this is just speculation because we haven't broken above the B wave high. We would need that as additional confirmation that we're already in the third wave. So far, price action doesn't give a lot of confidence that it already is, so we might just get an extension of the wave 2, but all of them would be bullish scenarios as long as we're holding 3.35 cents. Below that, it would get a bit difficult, and I would put more focus on the bearish count. I would like to say I'm leaning towards direct breakout, but again, price action at the moment doesn't give too much confidence. We're still in the corrective price channel. It might very well be that it's doing what I'm looking at on the ETH chart as well, that this wave C completed a W wave. This here was an X wave, and we make one more Y wave down. ADA seems to be doing that. Ethereum, maybe Bitcoin. So be aware of that. I'm still going to take it off the chart because this is really just a micro level. And as long as you're aware of the 78.6 fib retracement levels, you should be good. And again, we need to see that breakout above the B wave high for initial confirmation that the trend is moving up short term. Okay, that's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.